Hello, I am Mark Barney and welcome to a very leftover breakfast with me, Mark Barney. I'm about to show you how you can create delicious food for free using nothing but leftovers. I live on leftovers and I'm about to show you how you can too. Leftovers are always there when you need them, but you can't always be sure of the quality of a leftover unless you test it first. More on that later. Some fridges don't have as many leftovers in as you might like, but if you wait long enough, they will eventually have more leftovers for you to choose from. That's just how leftovers work. Once you have found out that there are leftovers in the fridge, it's time to move on to the second stage of the process. Smelling the food. You can never be sure how long leftovers have been there for, so I find aiming for tin foil and Tupperware will make you sick less. As you can see, I have lots of different kinds of foods. I have green foods, white foods, some yellow foods, and I've got this toast I found behind the bin. Now comes the fun part. Get a bowl of foods. Get a bowl. This bowl of foods, get a bowl, and then start putting all the foods in the bowls together. And now you're mixing together a bowl of foods. Right. A little bit of whiskey. When mixing the foods together, take a lot of care to mix the foods in. This makes it a lot easier and quicker to eat later on, which I find can help with the flavour. Mushrooms. I need a spoon. Right, I found a spoon. I'm just going to show you quickly with my phone how you mix it together properly. Now this is my food at the moment, but I always find just adding more food on top is the easiest way to do it because it cooks quicker. There we go, and just mix that in nice. So you can keep yours separated if you want. That's gorgeous. That's brilliant, yeah. That's lovely. You can eat it cold or cook it in a frying pan. I'm going to use microwave because it's quicker. It does taste better fried, but they might be home soon. So I'm just going to take a bite and put it on. Sometimes foods taste bad, so find the sauce you want to try and add it. This one's called Mad Dog 357. Don't try it before you put it on. The fun of a leftover breakfast is trying foods that you may not have eaten before. Now, it won't taste of the bad foods anymore. Now it's time to enjoy your leftover breakfast. And a tip from me, you can never have enough sauce. Bon appetit. careful. Some sources are traps. No. Hello? Anyone there? Oh, Jesus Christ, what the fuck is that? It's fucking everywhere! There is shit everywhere! It's a fucking disaster! Is that a fucking camera? Call the police, I think someone broke in! Get back here! Get back here! Get back here! Thanks for watching a very leftover breakfast with me, Mark and Barney.